Hi, today we are going to discuss 5 secret issues regarding UAE Free Zone Corporate Tax. First of all, here we will cover first issue regarding registration. If you are free zone entity, whether you are required to register under UAE Corporate Tax Law or not. Because if you are free zone entity means you are a legal person, and all legal person is mandatory to register under UAE Corporate Tax Law. I hope you understand. Regarding second issue, this is very important for you. If you are a free zone entity, can you elect small business relief or not? Because if you are qualifying free zone entity, then you cannot elect small business relief. Be remember, if you are qualifying free zone entity, you cannot elect small business relief. But if you lose the qualifying free zone entity status, that time you can claim small business relief. But remember that your revenue not exceed AED 3 million. I hope you understand this thing. Further, in the practical scenario here, when you are going to file your corporate tax return, that time you need to inform you are registered in free zone. Firstly, you need to click here yes. And second question is regarding standard corporate tax regime. Firstly, we need to understand what is the standard corporate tax regime. Standard corporate tax regime is nothing but only simple corporate tax law as applicable in mainland entity. I hope you understand. If you want to elect all corporate tax law as applicable in mainland, you can elect yes. Further, you need to understand, if you want to take benefit of small business relief, that time you need to yes here. Otherwise, you cannot claim the small business relief. Firstly, you need to click here yes. This is practical scenario. I hope you understand. And further, third issue regarding here we will discuss what is the free zone, what is the qualifying free zone person, and what is the free zone person. First of all, here we will discuss free zone. Under UAE corporate tax law, free zone include all designated zone and further free zone as notified by UAE corporate tax law, that is considered as free zone. Regarding qualifying free zone person, all free zone entity is considered as qualifying free zone person, but having regard to some certain condition. If they did not meet one of any condition, that time you will not qualify as a qualifying free zone person. That time all corporate tax law will be applicable on you as like mainland, and you will consider simple free zone person. I hope you understand. And regarding the fourth issue, here we will discuss it is very important for you. Can you carry forward your tax losses? Answer is, if you are qualifying free zone, that time you cannot carry forward any tax losses. Be remember, if you are qualifying free zone entity, that time you cannot carry forward tax losses. And I want to add one thing. If you are going to claim small business relief, that time also you cannot carry forward your tax losses. Be remember, if you are electing small business relief after losing your qualifying free zone status, that time also you cannot carry forward your tax losses. I hope you understand this thing. Next, I will consider here regarding fifth issue. Here we will understand, can you join tax group? If you are qualifying free zone entity, that time you cannot join the tax group. I hope you understand. Here you can understand, if you lose the your qualifying free zone entity status, that time you can join the tax group. Finally, we will conclude here. This is very important to take decision if you want to lose your qualifying free zone entity. And further, if you lose your qualifying free zone entity, you can elect normal tax slab, or you can elect small business relief. If you have losses, that time you should elect the normal standard tax rate without small business relief. If you have simple, if you are not any losses you incurred in the current financial year, that time you should elect small business relief. I hope you understand. This is very strategic decision. You need to consider this properly. I hope you understand. Further, if you like my video, please comment here. I will consider that. If you have any query regarding free zone entity, please comment here. I will consider that. Thank you very much.